What up? Cousin Kenny doing it again, opening up toys. Today, we are gonna do the DC Rebirth Black Canary from McFarlane Toys. This was a rare pre-order that I did. I have a Green Arrow Black Canary Focus. Wasn't willing to risk missing out because they rarely make Black Canary stuff. RIP bombshells. So hopped on to pre-order this. I think Toy Shiz posted up a link. Missed out on BBTS and another site. Ended up hopping on GameStop. Ordered from GameStop and it showed up. And it pulled the platinum. So because I am crazy, I will be going after both versions. So it's cool to have this one crossed off the list. Hopefully the regular release is easier to find. I assume I want to walk into the store between now and then, but for now, let's open her up. I will say I have a note right off the rip, which is artwork, right? Design, all of the things. Costume. Costume does not match packaging. Costume is this sort of zip up onesie with the bird in yellow on it, with the jacket and the fingerless gloves and the fishnets. Figure is pants, no bird. Inverted colors. The jacket's black, the bodysuit's blue. Bodysuit's black, jacket's blue. It's hard to say. I don't know if that's platinum stuff or if that's regular release stuff. I guess we're gonna find out. I will see how that goes. So, open it from the bottom like a man. I have such a weird relationship with McFarlane DC because I hated it when it came. There was a series of bad figure designs, bad figure choices. Quality wasn't great. Not like 90s Spawn, they're breaking in the package kind of stuff. Just generally not great. And then because Todd is a consummate professional and kind of a badass, you see how I've turned a corner. I was real heartbroken about DC Classics. I was, like Mattel losing it. Now I don't want Mattel to get it back. Todd turned it around. Like McFarlane Toys is cooking. I think I'm in on Mortal Kombat. For the longest time, I said whoever does live action Batman figures is gonna get me. Todd beat Hot Toys by a hair. I went from like, I don't really like McFarlane Toys to I might own more McFarlane figures than any other toy line. Now he's got the PlayStation license coming. Fuck me. So, figures out of the package. First notes, this jacket's gonna age like hot dog shit. Probably shouldn't have opened this figure. This shit's gonna flake in like 5 years. But it's all right. We'll lock her into a pose and be done with it. Probably not. Oh, actually the hair is very pliable and soft. So it would probably do an Exorcist spin. But again, I don't want to mess up the jacket. So I'm gonna get our double knee bend right out of the box. Todd somehow using probably air-conditioned shipping containers has created a figure that out of the box needs no hair dryer, no bath, almost like it's professional. All right, so I've never fucked with a faceplate McFarlane figure, so we're gonna rip her face off. All right, how do we? Oh, surprisingly easy. There you go. I assume there's somebody out there who actually displays their figure like this because they're a monster. But there are so few Black Canary options out there relative to others that I'm going to go, I think I'm going to go for the action pose. I'm gonna go for the screaming. And I think we're gonna try to see about getting her sort of doing her iconic pose. I gotta say, I have generally never been a fan of the faceplate thing, right? Again, another way Todd's turned me around here is I actually kind of dig it, and especially with like her, the way her hair frames it, you don't actually see, like you can kind of see the seams if you get real in there and look, but like it's a pretty elegant solution, and I think I prefer it over multiple head sculpts. I don't know. Like again, unless they did like I think if you were gonna do multiple hair sculpts with her, you would almost need to do like a ponytail version or something, right? Like I'm going to work, bitch, putting my hair up, because I put my hair up a lot. At least I can put my hair up. Yeah, I think I really like the faceplate thing. That was actually super smooth, super easy. We got a serious face, a smirking face, and kind of a screamy face. I'm gonna go screamy face. I will say, from a value perspective, $35 for a figure with 4 hands, 2 faceplates, a half-ass figure stand, and a trading card is pretty cooked. Like, I just opened up those Soldiers of Fortune. I just opened up Skeletron figures. Like, you know, I'm opening up these deluxe sort of premium modern figures that come loaded with shit for $40, $38, and it's not like Todd doesn't have the parts library. I gotta say, like, again, packaging complaint, like, you could have done like a clear effects piece if you wanted. It's like, it's Black Canary. She's not missing like tons of stuff, right? It's not like she's missing like an iconic weapon or something, but I just feel like you're gonna put it out as a collector's edition. I don't like soft goods, by the way. Can we cover this? Like, I hate trying to, it's gonna be fine though. Anyways, value a little less than I would have preferred, but I'm part of the fucking problem because I'm buying 2 of them. So, joke's on me. $70 to get 2 figures, 6 faceplates, 8 hands, 2 shitty jackets, 2 trading cards I'm not gonna do anything with. Probably won't even pull it out to put it in the case. So I was gonna cut there. I got a little exciting, so I will probably leave that in. All right. So Todd continues to do pretty good work for me. I mean, at this point, I'm just happy. Like, I'm simping. I'm just happy to have a character, of a version of the character. I need, I wouldn't mind, we'll see how the regular release looks. I hope it's a little more classic, maybe a little more fishnetty, just to have that representation. It's just like Green Arrow. Like, he's done a handful of versions, but like, I need, what do we get? He did Injustice. I thought he did a regular ass Green Arrow. I know he did Connor, which is great. He did Arsenal. That Arsenal's terrible. Oh yeah, we got Longbow Hunters. But I don't think we've got like a straight up hard traveling heroes. So, pretty good. Pretty happy with it. Hoping that a regular release comes in the store soon. Thanks for watching.